Hello friends, let's go taco. I have taco shells, so let's go filling. You remember I make that filling, taco filling here, vegetables. So I have taco shells, I have vegetables cooked, and I have this sauce. You can use anyone. I have a hot salsa, president choice. You can use any brand. Then I have cheese, marble cheese. Then I have sour cream for after eat with sour cream. Enjoy with sour cream, fat free I have. So okay, let's go fill the taco shells. Okay, start filling now, and we're gonna fill some veggie here like this. Veggies. Then little bit the sauce for taste. How much you like, you can put, just your choice. So like this sauce. Then we're gonna put some cheese. So like this. So you need to fill all the shells. Okay, the second one, same thing. You need to fill all the same veggies. How much quantity you like it, you can fill in like this. Right, then you can add some sauce on the top. And then some cheese. Nice cheese too. How much you like, you put a little, you can put how much you like to, no, is just accept you how much you like, the filling inside. So we need to fill all everything, all taco like that. Okay friends, so I fill like this. All my tacos is filling now, done. So we can put in the oven now. So preheat oven. So preheat oven already. So I'm gonna give in 5-6 minutes. It's gonna be ready. So on 360-degree. Okay, taco is ready. You can see taco. It's beautiful. So now you can enjoy like with sour cream and with sauce, salsa sauce. Okay friends, enjoy. If you like it, please share and like. Thank you. Have a great day.